Today, I'm going to tell you how to navigate through your clock app. In order to get to the home page, all I do is swipe up on the lock screen, which brings us to the home where I can find all the apps. The clock app is the one with the analog clock on it. Just tap the app and it'll open up. On this app, we have many time-telling options such as the world clock, alarm clock, bedtime, stopwatch, and timer. In the world clock, we can select to see the time from various parts of the world. Tap on the plus symbol in the top right corner of the screen. You move the numbers to select the time you wish to be alerted. Next, select how often you wish to be alerted. I have selected to have this particular alarm go off every day. Now you can label what this alarm is for. I have labeled it for a reminder to go to yoga class. You can also choose what sound will alert you for this alarm. These are the sounds made by Apple, but you can also choose from your own music selection as well. You can also select from a type of vibration you want to hear when the alert is sounded as well. When back here, you can turn the alarm on and off. I can also turn on another alert. On the bedtime section, it can track how much sleep you get each night. You select what time you went to bed and what time you woke up. It will tell you how many hours and minutes of sleep you got each night. On the stopwatch, you can use this section to time whatever it is that you need to. Press start when you are ready, and you can press lap whenever you find necessary. You can do this as many times as you want to. You can also switch the face to look like a standard clock. On the time section, you can spin the numbers as long as you wish to set it for. I have selected 5 seconds. You can also select what sound will alert you when the timer goes off. I have selected the apex sound. This is what it looks and sounds like when the alarm goes off.